Hi, I'm Gemma. I'm doing the Chartered Management Degree Apprenticeship and I'm currently HR Associate at igus. A typical day for me looks like helping with the onboarding, offboarding, arranging events and just making sure that people are as happy as possible at work.
Hello, my name is Jack Wicks and I'm a ready chain manufacturing engineer apprentice. I do a apprenticeship in manufacturing design, so that's me learning how I will create all of my technical drawings for our factory staff to use on machines behind me and out in other premises.
Hi, I'm Harry. I'm a robotics engineer at igus, currently studying a Chartered Management Degree Apprenticeship. My day-to-day includes working with our sales engineers on specific projects, working on customer tests and also being a technical support for our customers.
Hi, my name's Lucy. I'm a purchasing apprentice here at igus UK. I am working towards a level 4 procurement and supply chain apprenticeship. My day-to-day role includes placing purchase orders for anything ranging from tools and equipment to parts to uniform for our employees.
Hi, my name's Taylor and I'm a content creator apprentice here at igus UK, currently studying a digital marketing degree apprenticeship. A typical day for me looks like writing press releases, writing blogs, filming footage for YouTube and managing editor relationships, attending events.